Hello guys, in this video I will talk about my recent trades on gold and on NQ, and all the information that you need to understand my strategy is already on my channel in my bootcamp. I've already created like 7 videos, and yeah, if you don't understand anything from this video, just go through the bootcamp or ask in the comments. Okay, so let's start. So why I was bullish on NQ? Let's go to the 4 hour. As I said already in my liquidity video, I usually only look at liquidity from a higher time frame level candles. So in this case, this low of this candle, 4 hour candle, big one, was swept, and we tapped into some sort of imbalance, this gap, and we also had this wick right here. So alone, this could have been a great trade, and I will show you how I would have entered it, but I didn't, because it was not my trading time. It was New York PM, but we had this pretty bad looking EG right here, and also we tapped into the 79% of my FIB, so this could have been a great trade already, and the stop loss for me would be the bottom of the imbalance probably, and then I would move it along the way. Then another entry would have been here of the OTE. And then yesterday I saw this, and I anticipated longs from the OT, but we didn't come to the OT, so I entered off a lower time frame confirmation, which was this. Broke structure here, and yeah, at the right time, right before market open. But it's not the only opportunity, there was more. There was this low hanging fruit entry. I would probably not have entered solely off this, but then if you grab the FIB, this would have been a great entry. And I targeted the 4 hour candles high. And also I closed half of my profits at 50%, which is well like 2.5 hour. And then I let the rest run. So basically in a span of 2 days, 3 A+ setups on NQ. So very good time to trade. And then gold. This was a pretty tricky one, because I thought that this high would be a liquidity target at first, but then when I went to the lower time frame, 30 minutes to be exact, we had this liquidity right above the EG of mine, the POI, whatever you want to call it, and I decided that it's a good place to take a risk and enter. I targeted the OTE zone because the range isn't looking that good for me, at least, especially that we didn't take this high. It looks like a accumulation range basically. We are going up and then down, so it doesn't look that good. I decided to target only the OT, but I left some runners, and the next target would be this low. So again, very basic entry. I also measured the premium and discount of this range, this one, which was barely in this in premium, so like in discount for sales. It was barely in a good zone, but it was, so I decided to take the risk, and it paid off. So this one wasn't really A+, but I wanted to show you that not all the trades are perfect. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.